What's the meaning of birdlime? Birdlime. Birdlime.
Birdlime. Birdlime. Birdlime is a sticky substance made from the sap of certain trees, typically used to trap birds. When applied to branches or other surfaces, birdlime acts as a powerful adhesive, snaring unsuspecting birds that land on it. Trappers may use it to catch birds for their meat, feathers, or for collection purposes, but the practice is now illegal in many countries due to concerns over animal welfare and conservation efforts. Birdlime has a long history, dating back to ancient times when it was commonly used in hunting and trapping. Its use declined with the introduction of firearms and the rise of conservation movements.